Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, it's Beatrice Vivius, Uncle Frankie Two Socks, your favorite beach partet with your morning beach walk video. So windy morning, so we're using the external microphone again. Watercolors is beautiful, although the tide is very, very low. We're coming up on spring tide. And on solar eclipse. And in the Western Cape, the weather is upside down. So I don't know how much the solar eclipse, the alignment of the moon and the planets has got to do with this tidal interaction we're having this spring tide. We'll have to wait and see. Waar is jy? Ja, daar's Puzzle. Hallo, hallo, hallo. Luckily Stewart wasn't in front of Wiseman. So it's Asian Commotion and Legacy. Where's Wave Dancer? Pardet, is dit lekker vanoggend? The flu medication is starting to kick in. The red rash on the tummy is already gone, and it's only the second day now. She had such a beautiful night rest last night. She's in such good spirits. Behind the clouds, all dramatic, orange, and Asian Commotion is being cooked. Just look at that pretty sunrise. Absolutely fantastic. Amazing. Beautiful. I'm so humbled to be privileged enough to see this every morning. To all the supporters, the people hitting the like button, people watching an advertisement, people contributing airtime, Telco Mobile airtime, or hitting the super thanks, the advertisers, everybody, thank you. But that's very vocal this morning. Huh? You very vocal. This sandbank and this narrow channel is now representing the northern estuary mouth, and it's closing down fast. Let's just put the monopod on extension. Now we can try and show you. The northeasterly winds has a pivot the estuary mouth a lot, and if we look at this outflowing current here, it pivoted it a lot to the east. So this channel that was here to the north is busy closing up, and I think that the southern opening will also be silting up. We're going to have a look now. Look at that little bugger sitting right in the sand, watching me. And you're grooming yourself. Are you going home today? It looks like it by the way you guys flock together here, hey? Can I walk now? Do you want to show us your flying skills? There you go. No, you're too quick for me. Okay, we've effectively got two exits of the estuary into the ocean. That is the southern exit. And then we go and we pan north. Just get everything in. And there's the second one. So yeah. Okay, come. Bye, Estuary. Hopefully we see you tomorrow, God willing. Let's have a look at this channel coming up north. Can't really see it from behind the corner. And it goes far north, almost all the way to the Estuary beach. The boardwalk entrance. Somewhere around there it stops. Let's just speed up things a little bit so that this video doesn't get that boring. I wonder if this channel is going to survive the incoming spring tide and the windy conditions we're going to endure here at St. Lucia. This is going to be very interesting. What's that? Look at that. Wow. Great Gods has got new assistants here. Keep the leopards away. Where's the babies? There's the one. I saw the one as a male. The other day when the... Oh, that one is a male. They're males. They're eating the chicken's food. I mean, you know. They're two males. So why did the big boars have problems with them the other day? I don't know. I'll have to read up. Guys, most of the people watching here is not subscribed yet. About 70% of them. Please hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. To join the channel membership, there's a fee. But just to be a subscriber is for free. Just hit the subscribe button, please.